So this is just to show how easy it is to fit the boards and to put all of the beading in place where you have a window that's flush with the wall, or even like here it's sticking out by about 0.5 centimetre. So I'm putting the board on here, overlapping by about 0.5 centimetre, and I'll just put it flush with the window there, and you see it makes a seal, and then I'll just apply the beading to this and the beading will go round, so there's no need for the extra bit of insulation on this side, and that makes things a lot easier. So I've put the adhesive around the sides, and where it's going to go up against that window frame, I've just moved it in about 0.5 centimetre, and that's so that it doesn't hold it away from the frame. So now I put this in place. So I've just placed it on now, and I'm now going to tap it all in so it becomes perfectly flush with the side there. And just like before, I'm cleaning it here with methylated spirits. So now I'm fitting the beading, and it's very similar to fitting it before. Just make sure it's the right size. Now I'll just take the back strip off and fit it in place. And then the rendering's just the same as before. You render that window reveal bead in, and then I'll be rendering in the corner bead on top of that. So here's the corner bead now in place, and I've rendered in all the beading around here. I'm now starting to render in the wall as well. And now I'm just going to render in the final bit of this reveal. So I'm just putting the render on here, and once it's nice and thick, I'm just going to draw the knife up and smooth it out. And that is pretty good. I'll keep going at it just to make sure it's completely smooth. Now it'll be done. Okay, so those window reveals are all rendered in now. I'll go over them with a sponge later just to smooth them off even more. But already, they're looking pretty good. I'll go on and do the next one now.